Your content probably not scaling, and honestly it's not because you are not creative, it's not even because you are inconsistent, it's because there is no real system behind what you are doing. And if that doesn't change, you will just keep posting stuff without actually building anything that grows. And look, this isn't just theory, we have worked with a bunch of creators and brands across different niches, and the results are pretty clear. Everything you are seeing here, these are creators scaling in completely different industries. And through this process, we have helped generate over 2 million engaged followers, 15 million plus views, and around 450k leads. And none of that came from just good editing or randomly going viral. It came from having a system. Here's where most people get this wrong though. They think the issue is execution, like I need better ideas, my editing isn't good enough, I should probably post more. So they keep tweaking things, new ideas every week, changing formats, posting more, than burning out and disappearing. But nothing really moves because the problem isn't execution, it's structure. Right now your whole content process depends on you. Every video starts with you thinking, what should I make today? You come up with the idea, you figure out the hook, you fix the flow, you approve everything, you are the system. That's exactly why it doesn't scale, because if you stop, everything stops. There's a big difference here people miss. Effort creates content, systems create consistency. The stuff that actually performs well, it's not random, it's not talent, it's pre-decided. Like before anything gets created, 3 things are already logged in: hook, structure, outcome, that's it. Because content only really fails in 3 ways. It doesn't grab attention, it loses people halfway, or it doesn't convert. So hooks get attention, structure keeps it, outcome turns it into something useful. Hook, most people treat hooks like creativity, like how do I make this catchy? That's not really it. A good hook just taps into psychology. It either breaks the pattern, creates curiosity, or hits something personal. That's why some videos just make you stop scrolling. You don't even think about it. Structure, getting attention is easy. Keeping it, that's where things fall apart. And it's not about fancy edits, it's flow. Hook, proof, problem, system, offer. If one part is missing, the whole thing feels off. And most people rebuild this from scratch every time, which is why their content feels all over the place. Outcome, this is the part almost nobody thinks about. They just post with no real goal. But before creating anything, you should know, is this for reach, authority, or leads? Because those are completely different types of content, different tone, different structure, different intent, and it just underperforms. So without a system, your process looks like idea, then edit, then post, which basically means you are the bottleneck. But with a system, it's more like hooks, structures, outcomes, distribution. Now you are not guessing anymore, you are just executing. Now understanding this is one thing, actually building it, that's harder. Because a real system isn't just a Notion doc or a list of ideas or a content calendar. It connects everything: research, scripting, editing, distribution, leads. That's why we built out a full process over 90 days where we analyze 100 plus viral videos in your niche, break down patterns, build scripts from actual data, turn one idea into multiple pieces of content, and connect it all back to inbound leads. It's not just content creation, it's an ecosystem, and that's what actually scales. So if you are tired of guessing what to post, rely on motivation, or being stuck as the bottleneck, then honestly, you don't need more content. You need a system. I am breaking this down step by step in a free training: how to structure everything, how to remove yourself from the process, and how to actually turn content into a growth engine. Subscribe if you want that, I will be dropping it soon.